countdown begins, Xavier. Again. See what we've got.
It's spitting! Everybody in!
Yep, there it is. Coming round the corner now. Wait for it. Yeah, it's something big. Yeah. It's a Class 66. And this one is a Schenker hauling aggregate wagons. And it's a big one too. I can feel the ground shaking. And if you look, you'll see this has knuckles instead of buffers. So, well, most of them. These have been adapted to carry heavier loads. Except of course for the end, so the train can be shunted. Anyway, there you go. See you in the next one. Bye now.